Welcome to our YouTube video about Windows 11. As new updates for the operating system come out in the form of beta builds, we've now noticed something new with the print screen, PrtScn, key. This small change could have a significant impact on how some users take screenshots. When pressing the PrtScn key, the snipping tool now opens instead of the screenshot being automatically copied to the clipboard. This obvious change may seem unfamiliar to some users, especially newer ones, but fear not, there's an easy fix. In Windows 11 Settings menu, under Accessibility greater than Keyboard, there's a toggle labeled Use the print screen key to open Snipping Tool. Simply switch this off and Windows 11 will revert back to its old method of copying a screenshot directly to the clipboard. So why the change in the first place? Well, Microsoft is trying to make the process of taking screenshots easier for newcomers to the OS. By popping up the snipping tool when someone hits PrtScn, this gives a clear indication that a screenshot has been taken. This allows for a quicker edit before saving if needed, and also offers a more user-friendly approach. It's worth noting that Microsoft hasn't promised this change will make it to the official release of Windows 11. It may scrap the idea depending on user feedback, or other reasons we can't be sure of. Finally, you might be wondering why it's called print screen and not something else like screenshot or grab screen. This is because back when print screen was first introduced in Windows 3.1, the key literally printed the contents of the screen to a printer. Since then it has been changed to capture a digital image. We hope you found this video informative and make sure to stay up to date with all our other Windows 11 news and reviews. Thanks for watching.